Thread the water supply hose onto the toilet fill valve tightly and correctly the first time to prevent leaks and water damage. Start by turning the shutoff valve off and flushing the toilet to drain the tank so the connection area is dry and visible. Inspect the fill valve tailpiece threads for damage or debris and replace the flexible supply hose if the rubber washer or hose end is worn. Wrap the male threads of the fill valve with Teflon tape by holding the tape with light tension and wrapping clockwise 3 to 5 full turns, so the tape will not unravel when you thread the hose on. Thread the hose nut onto the tailpiece by hand until it seats, keeping the hose straight so you do not cross-thread. Use channel lock pliers to give the nut a final snug quarter to half turn only, applying steady pressure and stopping as soon as you feel resistance from the washer compressing. Over-tightening can crack plastic fittings or deform the washer. Turn the shutoff valve on slowly and observe the connection closely for at least 5 minutes, drying and rechecking if you see any seepage, and retighten only slightly if you notice a slow drip. Common mistakes start with skipping thread sealing and assuming the hose washer alone will stop leaks, which leads to weeping connections. Remedy that by always wrapping the male threads with Teflon tape before assembly. Cross-threading the nut is another frequent issue and will prevent a proper seal. To avoid this, thread the nut by hand at first and ensure it spins freely and squarely before using pliers. Over-tightening is a third widespread problem because people try to make the joint feel impossibly tight. Instead, stop when the washer compresses and test under pressure, replacing components if tightening does not stop a leak. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for plumbing and other jobs, and to help contractors find steady work. Our site also hosts a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post experiences about tasks like water supply attachment.